Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at an SAP Analytics Cloud dashboard for real-time visibility into margin analysis for different types of cost collectors like projects or internal orders. Let's dive in. SAP Analytics Cloud is a cloud-based analytics and planning platform which allows you to connect to your various different source systems in real time and perform analytics on that data. In this example, we are going to look at margin analysis for three different types of objects: projects, internal orders, and products. Let's start with an overview. On the overview page, we can see various different profitability metrics at the top, such as the revenue, the COGS, and the overheads. We also see the contribution margins, 1, 2, and 3, together with their percentage values. And if you notice, the percentage values are color coded to define or rather to display whether the margins are considered good or not so good based on the customer's settings. Below the KPIs, we see various different charts. This is a bar chart which shows the top 5 products, and we have a couple of additional bar charts here which show the top 3 projects and top 3 internal orders. On the left hand side, we have a selector for different metrics, and whichever selector we use, that would be used to show the respective KPI in these bar charts. So for example, let's select contribution margin 3. And now we see the contribution margin 3 for all these bar charts. In the middle of the page, we have a waterfall chart which shows us the breakdown of the costs. We start with the revenue and see the various different costs that are involved on that particular object. So these charts are interactive, so we can click on any of these data points, and this will filter the page to show the values just for that particular object. In this case, we're looking at one particular project. If I click somewhere else, the filter goes away. We can do the same for any other bar chart. So let's have a closer look at this internal order here. We can see all the numbers change for now showing the data for this order, and we can click in the blank space to come back. That was the overview page. We also have detailed pages that go deeper into each of these types. Let's start with the project analysis. Projects, or WBS elements in SAP, are a popular cost collector used by many customers. And traditionally in the old ERP world, the visibility into the margins could only be had after the settlements were posted. And with SAP S/4HANA and the real-time connectivity in SAC, we get visibility into these margins even before the settlements have happened. And this is really the main benefit of real-time margin analysis, is that you no longer have to wait until the end of the settlement to be able to have visibility into your margins. So here on the top right, we can see a filter to select a project. And for the selected project, we see all the different profitability metrics. The waterfall chart gives a breakdown, a high-level breakdown of the different income versus costs, and the table on the bottom right gives us the detailed breakdown, showing us different things like variable COGS, fixed COGS, price differences, and all the different overheads broken down. Another popular cost collector used in controlling is an internal order. We can do the same like we did for a project. So here we now go into the internal order page, and we can select a particular internal order. And then we see the breakdown, all the different KPIs, the waterfall breakdown, and the detailed breakdown. Using this dashboard, we can give the controllers an ability to monitor various different cost collectors and make sure that they are on track in terms of profitability. This concept can also be extended to product profitability. And here's an example of what this could look like. We can select a particular product. Let's take this one. And the layout is very much familiar, but at this point, we see all the profitability metrics at the top. The waterfall chart gives us a high-level breakdown and the table a detailed breakdown. Users of the dashboard can also use information pages, which provide more information about what the dashboard is doing, where it's taking the data from, what kind of KPIs it is showing, etc. And this is a quick overview of the margin analysis dashboard built on SAP S/4HANA and SAP Analytics Cloud. Thank you.